Welcome to this comprehensive review of TaxAct, an online tax filing tool designed to make the process of preparing and submitting your taxes as smooth as possible. Today, we'll dive deep into its features, ease of use, pricing options, and whether it stands out among its competitors. First, let's take a look at the overall interface of TaxAct. Upon logging in, you're greeted by a clean and intuitive dashboard that guides you step by step through the tax filing process. Everything is organized into logical sections, so you're not overwhelmed by information. The system prompts you to enter your personal details, income, deductions, and credits in a clear and systematic way. Point one of the standout features of TaxAct is its robust calculation engine, which ensures that every figure is accurate and up to date with the latest tax laws. It also offers audit support, providing peace of mind by helping you handle potential issues with the IRS. While the interface is user-friendly, it also includes advanced tools for those with more complex tax situations, like business owners or investors. If you open the description of this video, you can find many useful links to various resources. Do this after watching the video for additional insights and tips on maximizing your tax filing efficiency. The pricing structure of TaxAct is competitive, with options ranging from free for simple filers to more comprehensive plans for those with intricate tax needs. Each plan includes features tailored to the complexity of your taxes, ensuring you don't pay for tools you don't need. Importantly, TaxAct offers a maximum refund guarantee, so you can be confident in the results. In terms of customer support, TaxAct provides a wealth of resources, including a detailed knowledge base and live chat support. However, some users might find the live assistance options limited compared to competitors. Still, the guided walkthroughs and tips built into the software are incredibly helpful for most users. Finally, it's worth mentioning that TaxAct includes integrated import options, allowing you to bring in data from previous years or from other tax software, saving you time and reducing the chance of errors. It's a great choice for both new users and those transitioning from other platforms. If you found this review helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more honest reviews and guides like this one. Your support helps us create valuable content tailored to your needs. Thanks for watching.